Okay guys, time to get started on the workbench. And to do that, we need to cut some steel. A lot of it. Oh man, it's hot. Okay guys, as you can see, I'm well on my way. There's a shelving, the shelving unit. I still need 2 more pieces to go, one here and one here. And it'll be ready for wood. I'm gonna put plywood on it, 1/2-inch plywood. But before I do that, I'm gonna build the workbench, which is gonna cross this wall right here. And it's the same level as this shelf. So it will basically all be one piece when it's done. But boy, it's hot. Wow. Wow. My t-shirt is so wet, looks like I went for a swim. Alright guys, well that's done for the night. Look at the smoke in the light, huh? Yeah, she got a little smoky. I don't have a fan in here. And I gotta fix that. I need a fan. Starting to look like something now. It's gonna be a big counter, that's for sure. But that's good, that's what I wanted. Okay, here we are. We're ready for wood. As you can see, I painted it. I painted everything that's not gonna be covered by the wood. It's welded right. Everything is welded right to the building. It's attached to the building there. 2 places up here. And you follow this around. The workbench turns into the shelving unit, and it's welded to the frame all the way up and down here. So this ain't going nowhere. So now it's time to get some plywood on here. I can't wait to get a counter on here, get a top on it. I need a workbench. Wow, there's one shelf. Looks pretty good, I think, huh? I even like the red trim on there. I haven't put screws in it yet, but it went in there good. Good job. Pat yourself on the back. Just dug this thing out of the junk pile. My very first drill in Thailand. Look at it. Wow. But don't want to stay in either. Let's see if she works. Or it goes up in a big cloud of smoke. Huh. Look at this. It just falls down. Let's change it to a hammer drill. Whoa. Wow, even variable speed. Cool. That'll make life easier. Right now, I gotta keep changing the bit on here because this stuff needs to be pre-drilled because of my stupid screws. It might be just me, but I think that looks really cool. Huh? The plywood came with the black coating on it and the red edge. So I'm putting all the red edges out. The factory edges. With the blue, the black, red and the blue. Looks cool, don't it? Okay guys, done. Look at that, huh? Don't that look cool? I'll do a little walk around here. Show you what it looks like. Like I said before, I'm gonna put tools or something on the back wall here. There's my shelves. Looks pretty good, huh? Counter, big shelf underneath. Over here is all open. There's the big shelving unit. I'm glad I painted it. I wasn't going to, but you know, that extra few minutes made the difference. Now I'm wishing I had red paint so I could paint this. 'Cause I think the red, the blue, and the black together, that looks pretty cool. I can't get far enough back to get it all in the video. There it is. Now to fill it up. Oh, it's going to be nice. Get all my tools in one place. I have a whole bunch of stuff that needs to go on these shelves. And then this wall space, I'm not sure what I'll put there. I have a wrench set that I want to put probably right here. There's a nice set of wrenches I just bought. But other than that, I'm not sure. Not really sure, and not in a big rush to find out. Looks pretty good, huh? Oh, I'll show you my mistake. Shouldn't do this. Shouldn't show mistakes. Cut in the wrong place. But if anybody asks, I'm going to tell them that hole is to bring electrical cables through. Which makes sense, right? Whoops. Pretty good. And my old green drill that I was working on, it didn't have enough power to even put a screw in. I put all the screws in by hand. But they were pre-drilled, so it wasn't too bad. Okay, guys. Well, that's it. Whew, out of all the projects I've done, I think this is my best one and the one that I need the most. I think it looks really good. And like I say, I need this space. Alright guys, that's it. As always, thanks for watching.